Hi, today we've got a quick unboxing of the Amazon Fire TV stick, which was released yesterday and arrived at my house yesterday. This is basically Amazon's answer to the Chromecast. So it's a HDMI stick that you plug into the back of your TV, and then it allows you to access some streaming services such as Spotify, TuneIn Radio, Netflix, Amazon Instant Video and YouTube. So I've been using the Chromecast quite a lot recently, but one thing that it is missing is any kind of interface for Amazon Instant Video, and since I have Prime membership, it would be really nice to be able to watch Amazon videos without having to boot up the home theatre PC and use the Amazon website to browse the video titles. So I thought I'd buy one of these. It normally retails for about £35, although they did an offer early on for these to be £19. They do have an Amazon Fire TV box, which is a more expensive unit. Kind of this, actually probably about the same size as this box, but it retails for £80. And basically this offers the same kind of functionality, it just doesn't have some of the dedicated outputs such as audio outputs and optical audio outputs. So this is kind of competing with the Chromecast and also the Roku streaming stick. So let's have a look inside the box and then we'll try and set it up and just have a quick look at how it works. Okay, so we have the HDMI stick itself, and then at the bottom here we just have a micro USB port for power, and that's the only connector on it other than the HDMI connector which you plug into your TV. And then this has got a remote controller, so I don't know whether this device can be controlled from your mobile phone like the Chromecast. I haven't really looked too much into the specs, but it's got a nice kind of controller with a scrolly wheel and a few buttons such as play, pause, a home button and back button. And then what else have we got in the box here? So we've got an information leaflet which kind of just shows you how to set it up. So this is what we've got in the box: the stick, the remote control. It's got an extension cable, so similar to the Chromecast, which has a smaller extension cable, so if you've got your TV right up against a wall, you don't have to have this sticking right out the back. You can have it at an angle and then just bend the cable into the HDMI connector. We've also got a USB cable, so these devices need external power. The HDMI connector doesn't provide power for any devices, so you have a USB plug here just for power, and it looks like this comes with a power adapter as well as the AAA batteries for the remote control. So the USB cable looks to be quite long, probably that looks like it's going to be about 2 meters long, which is slightly excessive, but if you do use it with the mains powered USB adapter, which is actually quite a nice little design. It may be that your socket's a meter away from the TV, so it could be handy. I think on my TV I've got a USB port on the side which can probably supply power to it. And then we've got the HDMI little extension cable, so you can plug this in the back and dangle the dongle at 90 degrees to the TV. And then finally we've just got the 2 batteries that go in the remote control. So I'll plug this into the TV and then we'll have a look at what happens when you turn this device on and see what it does. Right, so I've hooked the device to the HDMI port on the TV, so we'll just turn on the device. Right, so now it's asking to press the play pause button to start, and then you choose your language. So the interface is quite straightforward on the remote control, and then you just connect to your Wi-Fi network. In fact, that's the wrong one. And then enter your Wi-Fi password, so I'll just do that. So it now appears to have connected to the Wi-Fi, and the stick is now checking for updates. So it looks like when we ordered this device, Amazon tied the MAC address or the serial number of this device to the account that ordered it. So if you're purchasing this for yourself, you just need to click continue here, or you can change the account.
Hello, and welcome to your new Amazon Fire TV Stick. Thank you, and enjoy your new Amazon Fire TV Stick.
So after the little intro video, you get an option to enable or disable parental controls. So it looks like here you can just immediately scroll to the Amazon Instant Video video titles here, or just movies or TV series. And then the other thing that I'd like to use this for is Netflix and YouTube. So if we go down to the app section, you can go to the free applications where we've got the iPlayer, Netflix, YouTube, and Demand 5, and it's probably got ITV Player and all the rest. So these services were available on the Virgin TiVo box, so it already had Netflix and YouTube, but it's basically become unusable. It's so slow now. It was absolutely doing my head in. So hopefully the YouTube application is quite rapid. It looks like you have to install these applications first. So yeah, now it says it's downloading. And presumably we have the same deal with the Netflix app. The Netflix app appears to be a lot quicker to download than the YouTube application. And then it just asks you to check that the scaling is correct for your TV, which it is. And the interface looks to be nice and straightforward and quick. So that all seems fairly straightforward. The menus are quite easy to browse around, and it all seems fairly self-explanatory. So I hope that helps anyone who's thinking about buying the Amazon Fire Stick. And thanks for watching.